what's going on, guys? Welcome back to the Rev Room. It's your boy Mickey Mac. As always, I got another fruit product review for you guys. Today, I'm going to be trying out the limited edition Cinefuego Toast Crunch. Never seen it come in a bag or a pouch like this ever. Usually, Cinnamon Toast Crunch is in the cereal box. Sweet cinnamon heat. So I'm assuming it's like spicy cinnamon toast crunch. Interesting. I don't know if this is a snack that you just eat right out of the bag, which I'm assuming it is based on this pouch, or it's still a cereal. Naturally flavored sweetened cereal. Okay, so it's still considered cereal. Just want to make sure. I don't know. Again, it's in the pouch, so who knows. But on the back, you have the Cinnamon Toast Crunch, or Cinefuego Toast Crunch, dying from spiciness. But yeah, I'm going to be cracking the seal on this bad boy. I'm going to try it out. So before I get into this, I just want to say I'm a big fan of spicy food. Very spicy wings are my thing. Every time I usually go out to a restaurant, I like to get the hottest wings. It honestly just looks like any regular Cinnamon Toast Crunch square that you've ever seen before. Let's try it out. Okay. Pretty good. It's really not that spicy, at least for me. Maybe for some other people. Best way I could describe it. Picture if, remember the old hard candies, the round red balls, the atomic fireballs. Picture if the atomic fireball made a cereal. That's basically what this is. And I gotta say, I like it. I never even thought that a cereal could be spicy. I mean, think about it. Cinnamon Toast Crunch, but it's spicy. I'm getting a little bit of the afterburn now. It's really not too bad though, but I'm pretty satisfied with this product, I gotta say. Go pick this up, especially if you're a spicy fan and a Cinnamon Toast Crunch fan. No question. But that's all I have for you guys today. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Also, don't forget to check us out on Instagram, Facebook, Rumble, at the Rev Room, of course. And we got videos coming every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. This is your boy Mickey Mac once again. And I'll see you next time.